today's a new day. It's actually a whole new week. Welcome to the vlog. Hi guys, my name is Kennedy Bright. If you're new, I'm a junior at Missouri State University studying journalism. Welcome to my vlogs. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe down below to be part of the King Club, and like this video and turn on the bell for post notifications so you always know when I post it. To the Berry Line, which is like the bus that takes us to school, like our apartment, takes us around campus, everywhere. So that's where I'm at right now. I've got applesauce, banana, blueberry, bars, and then I got a Monster because that's what I drink. So yeah, let's go. Actually leaving the library, heading to go get dinner at Chick-fil-A in the PSU. But I finished editing my vlog. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And I can smell the Chick-fil-A. Like, I'm not playing. Like, I can legit smell. I can smell it. Like, PSU's right over there where the lights are. I can smell it. I'm telling you. I'm so. Oh yeah. It is now 1 o'clock in the morning. 1:12. Y'all, I've been doing nothing since I got back at. Oh my god. I got back at 9 o'clock, and for hours I have done nothing. I don't like my makeup today. So yeah, that's really all I've been doing. So I'm gonna take my makeup off because, you know, obviously it's nighttime. Past nighttime, it is 1 in the morning. So yeah, I'm gonna take my makeup off. Kind of feeling a little bit like, oh. But yeah, so I made some ice cream and go to bed. I have class tomorrow, not till 11:30, so I've got some time and everything. Okay, I haven't done an intro yet. Good morning, guys. Today is Monday, October 8th. And yeah, so basically I'm sitting out here in like one of like the study spots at my school. Look at that overview. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out some math, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. I have class at 12 something, 12:20, 12:10, 12:15. I don't know, I'll have to look, but yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm just eating the dinner that I made yesterday, which is red skin potatoes, sweet potatoes, broccoli, and like breasted pork with like barbecue sauce. Okay, so I know I haven't vlogged at all today, but today is Tuesday, October 9th. I'm headed to campus to get tutoring in math in our bear claw. So yeah, but I didn't vlog yesterday, I don't think either. It's been some 2 days, I'll tell you that. 2 days. 2 days. I always do that when I say two days, but yeah. So that's where I'm headed. And yeah. So good morning, guys. Today's a new day. Today's Friday, October 11th. Today is Thursday, October 11th, first day of fall break, and I decided I'm gonna go to the gym at my school's rec center because I love our gym. I have a gym in my apartment, but it's definitely not the same as like the rec center gym. So that's where I'm gonna head right now. But yeah, so I hope you guys all have a good day, and comment down below and let me know when you guys' fall break is, or if you guys have a fall break. Like my brother's high school had fall break, and in colleges obviously do too. So just let me know, and let me know like what grade. Alright, so I'm headed out to school. I just got on my Thomas cap. It's like 51 degrees here. It got fall and cold super quick. I have on a sweatshirt, Lululemon leggings, and Nikes. So alright, let's go get a good workout in. Okay, so yes, I am back home, and today is Saturday, October something. But anyways, yeah, I'm back home. We're about to go to thank you, Saturday, October 13th. We're about to head to Shake Shack, I think is what it's called. I don't know. We just got one here in Kansas City. So yeah, that's where we're about to head. Just me, my mom, my dad, and my brother. My sister's at her friend's house. You know, can never actually have the whole family together when I come in town, but it's whatever. We're gonna let it slide. So yeah, we're trying out Shake Shack here on the plaza. I've never been here before, so we're gonna try it out, see how it is. We just got one here, so yeah. I got a Oreo shake, but it's like Oreo and chocolate basically, and then they got Oreo and strawberry, I guess. They got fries, but okay. So today's Monday, October 15th, and I'm on my way to pick up my car from the shop. So hopefully, they say it's done. So let's just hope, fingers crossed, that everything goes well. So that's where I'm headed right now. I'm being bad. I'm on the plaza right now, heading to Lululemon. I'm about to get me, just check out some scrunchies, check out some stuff at Lululemon. You guys know, if you follow my channel and know me, you know I love Lululemon. Favorite place in the whole entire world. So that's where I gotta go. You know, I gotta hook myself up. It's a little something while I'm here. You know, nothing major. Yes, there you are. Hello, Lulu. Hello. Hi, honey. I'm debating on scrunchies if I should get, of course, this one or the pink one or both or the white or the black. Can't really decide. This is so hard, but I think I might get this one. Yes, we are purchased. I love Lululemon. Favorite place ever. Got 2 scrunchies. I'll show you later, but yeah, about to head home now. So these are like the new bags. I love to always see like what new bags they get, but yeah, that's what it looks like. And then these are the scrunchies that I got. I got this one. It's kind of like snake skin, and then of course pink because it's so cute. And I'm so excited. I'm obsessed with scrunchies. So yeah, I'm glad I was able to get these today before I head back because we don't have a Lululemon in Springfield. Oh, in case you're wondering, let me tell you the name. So this one is Uplifting Scrunchie Bow. So it has like the bow on it. And then this one is just Uplifting Scrunchie. So it's the same thing, just that one has a bow, that one doesn't. So yeah, that's a difference. And even the other one that I have is also different. My like blue one, so my navy and what's the other color? It's navy and black. So yeah, that's from Lululemon anyways. But yeah,